A test consisted of 15 multiple choice. So there are 15 multiple choice. And then 12 true false. 12 true false questions and 10 fill in blank. And 10 fill in blank. So there's totally how many questions? There are, if you add them together, 27 plus 10, 37 questions, the total, right? And then, so there's 37 questions, 15 of multiple choice, this one, 12 of true false, and 10 fill in. So those are total number of questions, which is 37. Robert got 8 questions wrong. So out of this 37, 8 of them are wrong, right? So now the question is, what percent of the answers were correct? So what percent of answers are correct? So first of all, we need to know how many of them are correct. We know 8 of them are wrong, and they're totally 37. So the number of correct answers, is what? Answer is equal to 37 minus 8, which is 29 questions. He did 29 of them correctly and 8 of them wrong, right? He made a mistake on 8 of them. So, but the question is, what percent of the answers are correct? The correct one, what percent of them? So again, set up this equation, proportionality. They're looking for the percent. What percent? Means x over 100. They want to know what the x is. That's the percent. And then the total question, what? There's total question of 37, and 29 of them are correct. Which one goes in the denominator? The total question, which is 37, and the 29 of them are correct, means 29 out of 37. Basically, this is the fraction that you have. 29 out of 37 are correct. So you cross multiply and solve this. This time this equal to 37x equal to 29 times 100, which is going to be 29 with 2 zeros. And then you solve for x by dividing by 37, divide by 37. So this divide by this is 1. So x is equal to 2900 divided by 37. Let's do that. How many 37 is in 190? So if, let's say this is 40 and that's 300, estimated, rounded is 40 and this 300. So that's going to be 7, because 7 times 40 is 280. So let's try 7. 7 times 7, 49. 9, 4, 3 times 7 is 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 is what? 25, right? Remainder is what? 1, and then this is 8 minus 5 is going to be 3. We're good. 31 is smaller than 37, right? So then what? Next 0 goes down. And then this times, how many is there? So 8 times 7 is 56. Let me erase this. 8 times 10 is 56. 6 carry 5. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 5 is what? 29, right? So if you subtract, that's going to be 4. And this is 0, 0. Then you borrow, it's going to be 10, 14. You can continue by this golden 0, borrow it. This goes down, becomes 0. How many 37 is in 40? As soon as you get this golden 0, borrow the first 0, put that small point. How many 37 is in 40? If that was 35, it would have been 4, but that's 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 1, 2, 3 times 3 is 9, and 2, 11. So that's like 110, and then 29. So see, you can continue this. So 37, 8.3 to x is 78.3, which is, therefore this is going to be what? 78.3%. 78.3%. Got it?